The house is situated near Portland, Oregon, and it's surrounded by huge redwood trees, so it feels like it's nestled in the forest. The brief from the client centered around the kitchen, opening up the spaces to bring more light into the house, to be really sympathetic to the mid-century bones that this house had, and to bring it into more of a modern place where it was functional for a family of 5. The kitchen was so central to the brief because our clients are food bloggers and they are cooking up to 4 meals a day, photographing and filming for content. The central island is a feature of this kitchen, but it's also very practical. The benchtop is a Taj Mahal quartzite, which is very strong, but it's also a great backdrop for filming and photography. We have a benchtop on either side of this feature island. Both of those benches have a dark black marble. This was to ground the outside of the kitchen, but also to bring some interest while they were filming. I think one of the highlights is the maple burl timber that we've used on the cabinetry. It's very of the era in the 1970s, but it's just so interesting and so rich. It becomes a feature without being too much of a feature. And we paired that with a simple oak veneer, just to balance it out. As you walk into the lounge, straight ahead you see these porthole windows. There's such a beautiful feature and just a window and an opening into the back of the property. We lined them with cork with a timber clash, and then we brought in beautiful sheepskins from Wanaka. With the conversation pit, we wanted to amplify it with colour and texture. We felt it was a beautiful opportunity to create this rich moment where you could almost sink into this space. And so we used deep burgundy velvets and a beautiful pierre frey check on the cushions just to really bring some luxury to the space. The lounge next to the conversation pit, we have named the piano lounge because the space was completely designed around the piano. We went for pale oak veneer on the cabinetry, which tied into the kitchen, but it allowed the black piano to really stand out. We used cork on the ceiling to bring in texture and colour, but also for acoustics. The dining space was very intentional to integrate with the kitchen, so it felt like a holistic hospitality space. The double height space really allowed us to amplify the original amber glass pendant. And then we have paired that with a featured tree in the island, which sits close to the dining space. Part of the brief was for this home to feel almost like a boutique hotel, that it was material-led, interesting, and it just had such a wonderful feeling that you didn't want to leave. We feel like here it's been quite successful through the use of material, lighting, spatial planning, and just really wonderful, brave clients.